Good morning, everyone. Welcome to November 8th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures up 37, S&P futures are up 3, and NASDAQ futures are up 6. Asian shares were lower, while European shares were higher overnight. Futures were very weak ahead of the bell Wednesday as traders digested election results. The market opened weak and remained weak all day long, with mild attempts to stem the bleeding. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes were substantially lower. Today we'll get weekly jobless claims at 8:30 a.m., with the market looking for 370,000 claims. We'll get earnings today from Canadian Natural Resources, Duke Energy, Kohl's Corp, NVIDIA, and Disney, to name a few. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1424, the 50-day at 1434, and the 200-day at 1380. The S&P closed at 1394 with support at 1380 and resistance at 1424. Traders were in a foul mood on Wednesday as all of the major indexes fell sharply. However, while the Dow and NASDAQ both fell and closed below the respective 200-day moving averages, the S&P did not. Notice the last time the S&P fell below the 200-day moving average was in June. That, in fact, marked the bottom. Now we can see the S&P is still above but closing in on the 200-day once again. So the bulls will be tested here, and if they can hold, we might again see a bottom. But if the 200-day goes, get ready for lower prices. November has a reputation as one of the best market months of the year. This month is proving to be anything but that. However, there's still plenty of time left in the month for the bulls to prove history right, so be careful to not get too bearish. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.